Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Wonder Crate. This is a new children's subscription box. I love the premise of this because it's all about children's empowerment. I think that's really cool. It's something that you don't see a lot. You do see a lot of craft boxes and this and that, but empowerment and like teaching kids good values is not that common. You know, it's just something we're stuck doing on our own as parents. We don't have any help. Anyway, so this is $34.95 a month, but they do have an option for a sibling add-on. So for that one, if you got the add-on, it would be $49.90. I do have a coupon code. I'll put that down below for you guys if you're interested. I'll also link to Wonder Crate, and I'll link to my full blog review where we'll go in depth, and I'll have the kids involved. We'll do all the fun stuff. So anyway, let's open it up and see what's inside. I don't know what's in here yet. We are going to find out together. It's still sealed, so you guys know. Look. We didn't open it. All right. So, first I'm seeing a pinwheel. But I think its little stick is in here somewhere. Popped out. All right. I can quiet my mind. A mindfulness box. How cool is this? I have a 4-year-old who is never quiet. So there's a letter here to the parent. I can quiet my mind, a mindfulness box. So it walks you through what you're going to be doing with your children. I'm not going to go into all that right now. And then there's a product description. So there is meditation included, life hacks, create your own calming snow globe, bubbles, pinwheel, slow rising stress release toy, superhero cape with iron-on design. Ooh, and that comes in your first box only. That says it there. That's how I know. New power patch for mindfulness, activity cards from Mindful Kids and Mindful Games, Generation Mindful card and coupon. And then here's our activities. So there's the snow globe, bubble and pinwheel, mindful posing. So this looks like we're going to be doing some yoga. I always try to get my kids to do yoga with me, and it's like pulling teeth. And then I'm like, what's the point then? So we'll see if we can like get them in a fun way. Spidey Senses Safari, Life is Good, which is a dinner table activity. And there's a whole bunch of resources here. So we have books for parents, and then books for kids, activity cards, and then collaborators. So there's a whole like website here for mindfulness activities. And you can hear my kids are downstairs playing with their dad. I win. So there's that. And then on the back there's a whole section that says Ask the Expert, which is really cool. All right, so this I'm guessing will be our snow globe. Just a guess. Now we might find out differently in the review. So there's our little glitter, and we'll put some water or something in there, and we'll have a fun little globe. How cute is that? So this is our stress release toy? Our squishy toy? There's some bubbles. Here's a shirt. So this says Wonder Crate, discover your inner power, ready, set, grow. Oh, so cute. All right, let's see what the shirt says. To do today, wake up and be mindful. So this, I get this for Belle because I thought like the crafts and stuff were like right up her alley. And she fits in the age range, which I think is 6 to 10 for this box, but I'll double check and put that down below. But I think it's good for all kids. I think younger kids too, especially with mindfulness, is like, it's something you can start teaching really young. All right. So then we have swaying trees, untangle your branches. So this is, we ask why 5 times to help us understand a problem and its solution. All you'll need is pencil and paper. Takes 5 to 15 minutes. Think of a complicated situation that you've dealt with in the past. What was your role? Now turn your response into a why question. For instance, if your answer is, my role was to solve the problem, then ask, why was I responsible for solving it? So it's a question and answer. It's kind of getting into the mind of the child, which is really cool. Then we've got our cape that you designed. See the little decals? Isn't that cute? I love it. There's a card here for Generation Mindful. I like that idea. I love that idea. All right, and then finally we have a book called Peaceful Piggy Meditation. Oh my goodness, how cool is this? So it's just like take a little quick peek. Sometimes the world can be such a busy, noisy place. Sometimes it feels like you always have to hurry, 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 and you feel like you can't slow down even when you're sitting down. It can be hard not to lose your temper when you're angry, and you can really get really frustrated when things don't go your way. We're going to skip a little bit. By slowing down, peaceful piggies notice all the magical little things in life, like the way raindrops race each other down the window, the way the clouds tell silent stories, and the way the birds sing songs just for you. Isn't that so sweet? I love this box. What do you guys think? Let me know. I think this is such a cool and unique idea. I've not seen anything done like this before, and I think it's cool. So let me know down below if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. I'll link to Wonder Crate. I'll give you that coupon as well, and then I'll also link to my faux blog review. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!